sword to the floor.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It is Saturday morning. Hope everybody's doing all right. I am doing wonderful. Today's my daughter's birthday party, so Lord knows I might not be sane after all this, but figured I'd go ahead and make you guys a video right off the bat this morning. We're going to show you an updated version of the Steven Wizard's Simplified build. This is going to be version 3. So we're going to check it out. I'm going to show you how to download it here in a second, and then we're going to do a quick build review. So thank you guys for watching. Want to give a quick shout out to anybody that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate that. I really do. It just continues and growing, and I owe that all to you guys. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you continue still leaving the comments and likes. Guys, you guys are rocking it out. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. For those that haven't subscribed and this is your first time checking out my video, definitely click on the link below in the description box and make sure you subscribe for me. I'll also make sure you click on that bell. That way you guys are notified of any new videos that I come out with. So, you know, I'm trying to put one out about every day, and you guys will be notified of that. Also, make sure you're leaving comments and liking the videos too if you like that. So we're not going to talk too much today. I'm going to make this kind of a quick video, so hold on and we will start from here. Hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out with a fresh Kodi 17.3 Krypton build. As you can see, there is nothing there. We're going to go up to the gearbox, if I can talk, and then we're going to go ahead and click enter. All right, from here, you're going to scroll all the way down to you see System Settings. Go ahead and click Enter. Then we're going to scroll down to you see Add-ons. From here on your device or controller, you're going to click to the right, and then you're going to scroll down 2 times to Unknown Sources. Here, you're going to go ahead and click Enter, and it does give you the warning, and that is okay. You want to hit Yes. That will allow for any unknown sources to be downloaded on Kodi. All right, so you want to definitely do that, and then you want to backspace once. Then you want to go down to File Manager, go ahead and click Enter, then scroll down twice to add source. Then here you're going to hit Enter, and then, excuse me, I just have my remote, so it's going to be http://repo.aries, and then we're going to go down, change that characters to where we can get the hyphen. We'll go ahead and click the hyphen. We want to go back to the alphabet, and then we want to hit project .com /magic. All right, so hopefully you guys, oops, I hit a D there. Let me go back and finish it with a C. So once again, that's http://repo.aries-project.com/magic. Make sure is exactly like that. If you guys do not have that correct, it will not load for you guys, okay? The build will not load. So as you can see, we got the source in there. If it's not correct also, it usually will not add to the source screen here or the file manager. So you definitely, once again, want to make sure that's correct. So from here, you want to hit backspace twice. You're going to scroll down to add-ons. Go ahead and click enter. Then we're going to scroll up to the install box. Go ahead and click enter. And then down to install from zip file. Click enter, and then you want to select the one that you named it. I just kept it as Magic. If you wanted to change it, you could have done that just by clicking on the name section there and then backspacing and then putting whatever you wanted and then hitting OK twice. That would have solved the problem for you if you wanted something different. I don't have a lot in my source because I delete everything and then load new builds basically off of fresh Kodis every time. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click enter, down once, enter, down once, enter, And then we're going to wait until we see the install box that is up in the upper right hand quadrants. You can go ahead and hit My Add-ons and then click back, and you can see it says currently downloading add-ons. All right, this is a good idea for this first of you guys that have watched my videos. As you see, it disappeared, and you see the add-on installed box up in the upper right hand quadrant. So this is a quick way to actually go use the bathroom, or if you want to get something to drink or something like that. You don't have to worry about missing that add-on install box. I know when I first started, I was intently watching it, no matter how long it took to install. But you don't have to do that. As long as you find that My Add-ons, click back, and then you see that currently downloading. Once the currently downloading is off there, that means the add-on has been installed. All right. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click Install from Repository. We're going to go down to Aries Project, click Enter. We're going to scroll down to Program Add-ons, click Enter. Down to Aries Wizard. And then we're going to go ahead and hit the Install button, guys. You'll see it installing. Doesn't take very long at all. Once the add-on's installed, then we're going to click Enter for Aries Wizard. And we're going to open it. So we're going to go over to the left and then click Enter. Okay, it's going to download for you. So therefore, it'll be on the Kodi platform at the main menu. It'll be under your program add-ons. If you don't go any further and you just keep it at that, obviously Aries Wizard is always going to be there. So now we're just kind of waiting. Once you open, and it does its download, don't get worried if you don't see anything. It will load, and as you see, it did load. So from here, we want to go ahead and hit Browse Builds, and then we're going to scroll down till we see Steven. All right. You'll know it's his site because it will have a suit and tie guy. So that's how you're going to know. But there's several Stevies or different things with Steven in there, or Steve, or part of Steve. As you can see, it's under Mock and Johnny Boy if you do this here today. So we're going to go ahead and click Steven. And then from here, we're going to go down. Okay. And we're going to look for the Simplified build. All right, so it's right here. Okay, and as you can see, that is version 3 now. All right, so we want to go ahead and click Enter, and then we want to go ahead and install it, and then hit Proceed. All right, it's going to do its thing, guys. It's going to load for us. It's about a 211 megabyte build, which is a pretty good size build. Not overly exorbitant with megabytes. But it is a pretty good size, and Steven had said in his review video that he's added a few things, but it's pretty much almost the same, just updated some things. So we're going to take a look at it and check it out. Okay, I do apologize. For some reason, it canceled out on us, so we're going to try this again here. And that is okay. If it does cancel out, that's no problem at all. You can just go right back in and click Enter, and you don't have to change anything on there. So I hope everybody's doing all right on Saturday morning. I know it was a golly washer last night here in West Virginia, and it is a little bit wet out there this morning, but we have sunshine, so hopefully everybody's doing wonderful, and you guys got great plans today. Hopefully, if you're watching my videos in the morning, it'll be a good start to a great day for you guys. So I'm wishing you the best. So we'll give it a second here to download. If you haven't subscribed before and this is your first time watching, I try to be thorough on all my build reviews and how to download them. I don't want to take up too much time, so if I speed things up, just make sure you pause the video and watch it. But like I said, I try to be thorough in every build that I do. I have to remember that I was in your all's position starting out. I started out with an Amazon Fire Stick about a year ago. Had no idea. My brother actually jailbroke it for me and got into jailbreaking. And I actually took the Amazon Fire Stick home, had no idea what to expect, loaded it up, and I was pretty much using the pulse build for a long time, and then after a little bit, it actually went down, and at this point, I had no idea what to do. Absolutely no idea what to do. So I started watching videos on how to do fresh starts and reinstall the build. And then it wasn't long after that, guys, I ended up actually coming across other builds. I mean, like I said, I had no idea there was even other builds. So, once I started downloading builds and builds and builds, the next thing I know, I'm downloading all kinds of different ones every day, checking new ones out. And what I found out that the Amazon Fire Stick is a great little starter for Android TV boxes for your streaming videos. But it's not the best because it tends to lag a lot, especially on larger builds. But if you have a build about 211 megabytes, that's going to be perfect for the Amazon Fire Stick. So this is kind of a lighter build. You get up in the 600, 700 range. It's not going to be a good build for you guys with the owners of the Amazon Fire Sticks or really even Fire TV. Make sure you all check the megabytes. And that's the wonderful thing about this Airy Wizard. I mean, you can click on the actual build and it tells you before you download it, what size you're looking at. Because you can see underneath the install box there, it does say rating, then it says downloads. And then right below that it says size, megabytes. If you click on that before you download it, it'll actually populate and show you that. All right, so it's done downloading. Now we're just waiting for the install part of it. But like I said, make sure you guys click on the link below, hit subscribe for me. Like I said, I try to do great content for you guys. I'm a big fan of Steven Wizard's, his builds. Steven and I have talked, briefly. And he's got some great stuff coming out, and he's a super, super nice guy. He comments back with you guys pretty frequently. So if you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you click on the link. I'll actually give his link as well, and then that way you guys can subscribe to him as well. So you kind of get his developer reviews and mine as well. So I will provide that in the link. I also will provide you guys an add-on install link, so that way you guys, if you have any issues or problems, you'll know how to pull up the Aries Wizard as well. Okay. One last thing, if you guys would like to donate to the channel and help the channel out, you don't necessarily have to. And I'm not asking for donations, but any would be greatly appreciated. If you guys decide to do that, you'll have my link as well for my PayPal. But like I said, that's up to you guys if you decide that you want to help out. It's no big deal. I just like, really truthfully, having you guys subscribed. I love doing this just simply because I remember what it was like to be in your all's shoes, and that's why I do this, to be honest with you. I'm not out to make money on this or anything like that. Just want to help you guys out as much as I can, okay? So once you see this box, once it's actually installed, you want to hit no here, and then you want to hit no again, and then you want to press OK, and that's going to take you out to your main menu. What I would recommend doing is, if you're in this box, go ahead and hit force stop, and then you can go ahead and hit open. All right, so once again, that's going to bring up your Kodi, and as you can see, it's 17.3. And once again, you've got a great looking build. Right off the bat, I've noticed he's changed some of the fan art on this one. He does a great job with his builds on really making the artwork kind of flow with the theme of his build, and and I love it. So as you can see right off the bat, if you look down in the lower left hand corner before we do anything, you've got the power button. The first time that you download this build and get it pulled up and the skins downloaded and everything else, when you exit, please exit by the power button, because that will actually resolve any issues or anything, and it will complete the download process. Also, if you are wanting to do a quick search, a lot of people ask me about the search box. There it is down in the lower left hand. That way you don't have to go searching. You can search the whole build that way, okay, guys? So as you can see, we're waiting for the skin shortcuts to actually update. Once they update, we'll scroll through the menu, and as you can see, you've got also your down in the lower right hand corner, you got your date and time, so that keeps you updated as well. All right, so you're going to see the add-ons updated. That's normal if this is your first time downloading a build. And sometimes you're going to see add-on update failed. Don't worry, guys. I mean, the system is meant to update on its own, and it will do its thing, so you don't have to worry. So we're going to take a look here. We got videos, we've got hub, we've got movies, TV shows, we've got TV, music, we've got add-ons, we've got settings, and then we're back to videos, okay? Underneath the videos, you'll notice that we have files, and then we have video add-ons. So you could click on files if you would like. And if you have any files that is added, it's going to be right there, like your sources is what that's saying. You can also click on video add-ons, and then these are all the add-ons that we have within the build. So as you can see, you've got some great ones. You got Bob, Stream Army, Real Movies, Falcon. You got 1080p. You've got Exodus, FlixNet, Genesis Reborn, Maverick. You've got Showbox. You've got Skynet, Specto, Sports Devil. Hey, they've actually updated their look there. And you also have Pyramid and YouTube and so on and so forth. So you've got a lot of great add-ons already installed. So you can hit the back button there, and then we can go ahead and click on video. All right, and once again, it automatically takes you to that if you click on video. All right, so then we're going to go to the hub, and from here you've got movies, TV shows, and next aired. Okay, now I will tell you, these guys are the movies, TV shows that you're adding to your playlist. So you have basically certain add-ons that movies that you like that you can actually add into a playlist. So don't be freaked out if you see any kind of just few movies here. These are movies that you've added. Okay, same thing for like TV shows. If you click on TV shows, these are all the ones that you have added. All right. So don't be alarmed if you only see a few movies or a few TV shows. And then the ones that you've added in the TV shows, if you hit next aired, it will load if there is any that's within these dates. It will actually load for you, and that way you can actually check out and keep being reminded when your TV show is airing. Okay, so pretty cool. I'll show you guys how to add the movies and TV shows here in just a second. If you go into the hub and click enter, all right, and scroll down to the first, which it says all movies, the movie database, you can click enter there. Okay, and then what you can do, let's say we want to add Beauty and the Beast to our playlist. All right, so you're going to long press select button. All right, and then you can hit play, add to library, or trailer. Okay, and you want to hit add to library. Okay, and then it's actually added as of right now to your library. So you can hit back, and then you can go down to movies. And if you look in your widgets, now you've got Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so if you want to click on Beauty and the Beast, you go ahead and click it. And we're going to give it a second to load here. Okay, so from here you can actually download the movie or watch the movie from any of your add-ons that will allow you to do that. Okay, so great. If you go into Exodus, you can click enter, and then you can do HD, and that pulls up Exodus for you, which is what you selected. And we'll give it a second to download here. Okay, and then you can select any of the sources that you want to download on. And as you can see, somehow I've clicked on Bob as well. But as you can see, it did play, and it played pretty thoroughly there, and it was a great copy, okay? So just don't get too finger happy on those. But as you can see, it did load. Same thing with your TV shows. If you go into the hub, hit enter, and then go down to all movies, no worries. We're looking for TV shows. You want to click to the left, then you can hit enter, and then you can type TV show there. It's already there. And then you can select, say, long press select your Doctor Who. You can even play the first episode if you want. You can add to the library. We'll go ahead and add it to the library. And then it has been added, as you can see up the upper right hand quadrant. Go back 2 spaces, and then you go down to TV shows, and then go in your, if you hit enter there, there's your Doctor Who. All right. So once again, and then you can play it from there. Okay. So great, guys. I love Steven's builds. Very thorough. Here you can go into movies, which is your next menu, and I'm not going to pull all these up, but you can go into LCM movies, Exodus movies, FlixNet. It gives you all your add-ons: Reborn movies, Showbox movies, Real movies, Specto movies, and then you have the widgets here as well down below, which is a quick reference. Now this is all the movies that are pulled up on an actual add-on. All right. So as you can see, you've got a lot of different movies that you can choose from there as well. Okay. All right. And then you can pull up any of the add-ons, like say you want to go into Exodus. And you have the menu down at the bottom, the scrolling menu down at the bottom here, that you can pull up anything on Exodus. So let's say we wanted to go into year, and we wanted to go into 2017. We're going to go ahead and show you guys what Exodus will pull up here. All right, and once again, all the 2017 movies here, which is awesome. Now, let's say you don't like this view, okay? If you click all the way to the left, well, I'm sorry. Let's see here. All right. Okay, if you scroll down, it's a little different. Scroll down to options, and if you see, you've got the scrolling movie there, but if you scroll down once, the blue hits the options there, and you click enter, and then you can view it as posters, list, posters or list. Okay, so if you click to the right, then you have all your list this way. All right, so depends on how you actually want to look at it. All right, so we want to hit backspace, backspace, backspace. That takes you back out to your main menu screen. Here you can do the same thing with TV shows. Oh, and I do apologize. If you hit movies, it automatically brings up Zen or LCM now. All right. Same thing with TV shows. If you click TV shows, it brings up the menu bar for LCM. Okay. And you can, as you can see, you can scroll through your TV show add-ons. Okay, so you got LCM that you can pull your TV shows up: Exodus, FlixNet, Reborn, Showbox, Specto. If you click down in the widget, you can scroll that way as well. And let's say we wanted to watch any number of these. Let's go ahead and click enter. Okay, that would be for the 100. Ooh, I'm sorry. You got to scroll up. I was on the, so say it's Supernatural, so go into Supernatural, and then here's all your seasons of Supernatural, guys, and then you can click on any of the seasons if you want to catch up, and there's your episodes. All right, so having these streaming boxes are just like having Walmart or any store at your fingertips, guys. I mean, you've got a laid out build here with lots of different ways of actually looking at movies or TV shows. You can also look at TV. You have all kinds of different, you got Sky Cinema channels, Sports Devil TV, UK Sports. These are all your live channels that you can actually go in and view live channels from. So if we go into that, you can see Sky Cinema. It brings up all the Sky Cinema stuff. So for instance, if you go into Sky Cinema Disney, okay, there you go, guys. You got Disney there.
No, sweetie, it's okay.
Okay. And we can hit stop. All right. And then you can also do the same thing for Sports Devil TV. Okay. You got a lot of different ways of watching live TV through Sports Devil Live TV. All right. Same thing for all the others as well. You can also click on TV. Okay, and then look at here, guys. You got UK TV, USA TV. So let's say we want to go into USA TV. All right, check this out, guys. NBC, A&E, AMC. I mean, just check the list there. It's scrolling through. TLC, OWN, CBS, HBO, 1, 2, 3, all your HBOs, your Showtime, Stars, Cinemax, ESPNs, Fox Sports. Look at there, NFL Network, MLB Network, NBA TV. You got the Sports Network, Sportsnet. This is great for all kinds of different things, guys. I mean, I'm still scrolling, and you know, and you've got a bunch of great TV shows there that you can watch through live TV. All right. So you also have World TV, UK TV that you can look through as well. And then if you backspace, you can go all the way out. And then you've got music. You can check out the Karma files, top 40 charts. Click on music itself. And then you've got genres of music, artists, albums, songs, years, top 100. And you've got great menu there for streaming your music. You also have add-ons. We showed you the video add-ons earlier. If you go into program add-ons under the sub-menu, looky here, guys. You got a lot of great program add-ons. Actually, we checked out program add-ons. You got your music add-ons, video, and then all add-ons. So you can actually look at that way. All right. All right, so let's scroll over and go back up the main menu. You've got your settings. You've got file manager. That's how you add your sources. You go in there and you can scroll down to add source. Right there. I went too far. And I still went too far. It's down at the very bottom, guys. Apparently, I'm not very good with hitting that add source. But you can do that. Click enter, and then you can type in your URL if you know what that one is. And then from there, you can go into settings. Just click the main menu, and then you've got your add-ons. Okay, and then if you go into add-ons, let's see, it's not under that one. Oh, from your very first menu. There you go. I'm sorry, guys. So if you click on settings, and then you can actually add on via the install from zip file and so on and so forth. All right. So there you go, guys. That shows you the simplified build version 3. As you can see, it's a great looking build. It's got a lot of add-ons that you need, and you know, some of these builds have an over exorbitant amount of add-ons that you'll never use. So Steven always puts just the right amount of add-ons in there for you guys. So check it out, download it today. It is the version 3, and make sure you click on the link below and hit subscribe for me. I definitely enjoy doing this for you guys. Hopefully this will help you guys out, and you guys have a wonderful Saturday. I might be able to do another video tonight. We'll see. But again, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys on the next video. Thank you all.